Action.
Hiya Dad, what have you been up to?
Oh, let me show you, Huey. Here we have a belt sander.
Okay.
And what we do is we get a oil stone, and we grind it on there, leaving 1,000 grit on the sanding belt. Then we get our mallet, our HDPE2 mallet that we melted, and then we can polish it on there.
Oh.
Here's one in a baked bean can with an old snooker cue. Yeah, that's how you form it. Heat it up in there with you, then cut that metal off. Shall I show you sanding? Shall I hold the camera? It might be a bit noisy.
Shall I video?
Can you? Right, have a look down at here. WD-40. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Shall we upload that to the YouTube?
Let me feel it. That feels nice. You can feel it feels like rubber that's coming off.
Yeah.
Feels nice.
Right then.
What are you doing, silly sausage? Get off. She's got on the blackboard and she's ripping me apart.
I just turn the lights off.